Transportation is a way to get our product to our customers, but it really isn't a core competency. Prior to going to the Hanson's transportation management program, we did everything internally. Had to find the trucks, call the truckers, make the appointments, pay the freight bills. We really tried to identify in our strategic plan at that time what were the things we did good, what were the things we don't do good. And that was one of them. It's a customer-centric organization. It's about satisfying the customer, giving them the right products, identifying needs for them. It's not about dealing with late trucks and short shipments and things like that. We don't want to have those problems. Our salespeople don't have to talk about those things when they go to a customer, because when your report card ranks 98, 99% delivery on time, you don't have to deal with that stuff. We made a call to Hanson. We had engaged in a discussion on how about trying a beta site on outsourced our transportation. We put it together. Within 8 weeks, after some internal work that they did here in our facility, we were able to take our total transportation function, outsource it, and it's worked out very well for us. Hanson has invested a lot of money in systems to be able to see the complete supply chain, know the carriers that are in particular lanes. They've got the expertise to sit down and negotiate with carriers to get us the best rates. Those are skills that we didn't have. From a simplicity standpoint, it takes it to another level for us in managing our transportation, because at the end of the week, we'll get a statement. It identifies all the different shipments that we had, the cost per shipment, the fuel surcharge. It really enables you to identify what your costs are. The way the program is set up, you know what your freight's going to be per case. You know the timelines are going to be hit, that you're going to hit your service standards, and because these are bus runs. Previous to our Hanson program, we had to have multiple warehouses to satisfy these customers. Right now we have one central inventory, one central location, and that helps us reduce our inventories and cut costs also. Transportation is basically seamless for us. It's an invisible thing. Our orders come in, we batch them, we download them to them, they make the trucks, they set the appointments, they do everything for us, and we can focus on making good quality products. They really live through their motto, from a standpoint of service and quality and finding a better way, and I think they really live by that creed. Velocities would be considered a best-in-class program from a freight consolidation, and it really does a lot to maximize value for the customers as well as the shippers. We were in another consolidation program prior to Hanson. There were issues. We know the things that can go wrong between misrotation, late trucks, poor paperwork, follow through. There was a point in time where I needed a forensic accountant to figure out the bills for that stuff. And those things we don't have today. The other big thing is from a sustainability standpoint, less trucks on the road, fuller trucks, less fuel used. The fuller those trucks go into in those lanes to those customers, the more money everybody saves, and that's really the name of the game. We would encourage additional manufacturers to participate in velocities. I've been an advocate for other manufacturers up in the upper Midwest to get on the program, and folks are. And I just think it's the right thing to do.